sounds like a baby. But Tiger is here. I don't really know where. Oh, there he is. Why are you making that noise? Hi, Nugget. Hi, Tiger. Oh, you're messing with Lacey. Oh, Tiger. Okay, don't mind the mess. Oh. Tiger? Why? Ugh. How do you do this? I'm coming to save you, Lacey. Just as soon as there we go, I figured it out. Tiger! Oh! Okay, go. Leave Lacey alone. Oh. Oh! Why don't you go out the door? You are mad. Hello, Tiger. Mr. Ellie's gonna be sad he didn't see you today. Come here, kitty kitty. Hi, Min. Hi, Nuggets. Hi, Nug. Hi, Mr. Tiger. Oh, you're so angry. Come here. Oh, buddy. Oh, yep, there he goes. Yep.
I just want to get a video of how good you're working. Stop it.
I'm moving. Come on. I'm going. Move it. 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 Move it.
Loveland. 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 Oh, look what you did. Look at you, sweet boy. You are so loud. So cute.
Is Kippy in the video?
Yes, he is. But he's not the star of the show, unfortunately. Not on my channel. My channel's a cat channel.
First channel.
Are you watching him? All the cats watch Ellie. It's not fair. Oh, this is great. I love life. Oh, hi. Oh, look at it. You've grown so much, little guy. Got such a pointed face. You're so tired. I know. I woke you up from your nap to hold you. You can go back to sleep. I'm a really good napper, my friend. I'm like a sloth. Sleep like 20 hours a day. You cuddling with Mama? You don't do this often, do you?